Hello everybody, let's hope I remember all the greetings. Hola, aloha, ciao, salut, ni hao, namaste, ohayo, egamasima, здравствуйте, привет, bună, dzień dobry, sziasztok, hello, and let's go. A few more. Salam alaikum. Yeah, xin chào, of course. And also Saskrekal, I hope I said that right, and also Marhaban. Welcome to my channel everyone, my name is Brunel, so as you might have noticed, if you've been paying attention, we've added one more language. And anyway, it is the January 2018 unboxing of the first Roccabox, and I have it here. I have no idea what's inside, guaranteed, absolutely, genuinely, 100%. No idea what's in here. So if you check in a description box, you'll be able to find the value of each item or the general total, so you can make up your mind as to whether you go and buy this box. And just to let you know, Roccabox comes, I think it's £13.95. I think I might be wrong, but I think it's £13.95. £10 is for the box and £3.95 is for the delivery. Now I'm going to have a quick moan, so if you don't want to listen to it, you can mute now. Anyway, it's to do with this box. Usually the money is taken out of your card or your account on the 1st of the month. This time I received it yesterday, which was the 13th of January, which to me, that's what I'm moaning about, is the length of time it takes for between your account being debited and you receiving the box. For me, 13 days is a bit too long. However, I have to take into account the fact that we had Christmas, but although having said that, we had New Year's Day, which was actually a bank holiday, but the 2nd of January was a normal working day. Excuse me for, thank you very much. They didn't start actually shipping them out until the 5th, and it took between the 5th of January and the 13th of January to arrive. To me, £4 delivery on a box that is this very, very light seems like first class to me via Royal Mail. So I don't understand why it's coming through second class delivery. And in fact, it's not even second class. So second class takes about 4 days. Anyway, that's my moan. That's my little moan. So if anyone at Roccabox, you do need to improve that, because I do get other boxes from elsewhere and they are delivered much more quickly. Thank you. Just say it. Anyway, so just have a look through the box. And by the way, I do apologize that I've not been posting family commitment, hospital, being hospitalized and everything. Not me, that is family members. So I've not been able to post as much as I wanted to. It says here, well, hello 2018. It's a brand new year and we want to make sure you're looking equally fresh and glowing to welcome it in. Enter your January Roccabox, aka the Glow Getter. Oh God, glow. I'm extremely oily. Right, never mind. The Glow Getter, which has been created in collaboration with the Style Lane, with it being January, a time when we're all looking, not to mention feeling a little jaded. We had just one request from Penny Lane, the Style Lane's founder and editor, and that was to deliver our Roccabox, the lovelies, nothing but glow restoring beauty heroes. Okay, and with heaps of experience dishing out definitive beauty advice, we trusted Penny to pull it off. Okay, so take a peek and see which products she's trusting to give you back your glow and restore your radiance in 2018. As I said, I stay away from glowy stuff because I have my own natural glow that I can't do anything with, which is that I'm extremely oily, so I tend not to have anything glowy. But we shall see. Okay, with that drop in the box, it's looking a bit abysmal and empty here. Hello, this is it. These are the contents. As you guys know, I have no idea. So let's check through the first item, which is Akar Skin Ruby Tint Lip Butter. Okay, so that is, let's have a look. Where are you? Where are you? This is tiny. Okay, all right. And it says here, Represented retail price is 9S. Now this looks to me like dollars, doesn't look like pounds. Somebody got it wrong, the first one. So I doubt very much that this is going to be £9, but I will check and do my research. All right. So this is it. Looking a bit tiny, and it is in here. It's got 2 ml, and there it is. Comes in this Ruby Tint lip butter. I'm not going to put it on because obviously I've got different lipstick on, but just to try and open it. Oh lordy, sometimes it's a bit difficult for me to open things. Forget the nails, don't mind the nails. And smells kind of nice, but this one is meant to keep your lips nice and moist. I mean, let's face it, it's a limited tint and lip butter, so it's meant to soothe your lips and keep them nice and smooth, with soothing nutrient-rich ingredients and a subtle red hue. This scrumptious balm will transform winter-worn lips and get them glowing again. It gets bonus points for being petroleum-free. Okay, so there you have it. Nice and smooth, lovely. Next item, and this one is, I'm thinking they were trying to say it's £9, recommended retail price £9. And next item, which is recommended retail price of £5. This time round I've got the pound sign rather than the dollar sign. Thank you. And this is the Face Ink by Nails Ink Rose Glow Youth Boosting Peel Off Mask. Okay, and that's this one here. Take that one. Dropping everything. Yeah, I'm dropping everything. Okay, so that's the one here. And in this one you have got, let's have a look, 10 ml and youth boosting peel off mask with vitamin B3 for all skin types, hand, face and body, so you can do it anywhere. And yeah, so this is what it's for. One single use mask in there, and that's what you have. And let's read up about it quickly. If I can read quickly, that is. Desperate to transform dull, blah skin into a complexion that would give Rosie HW a run for her money. There you go. Rosie H. Huntington Whitley. That's what her name is, I think. Anyway, so this single-use pod contains a radiance boosting peel off mask rich in vitamin B, which will tackle problem areas, hydrate, gently exfoliate and naturally increase luminosity, giving skin that all important glow. Nails Inc. doing skincare products as well as they do nails. It's a big yes from us. So that's what it says. Right, so that's that one. Next item is the Lord & Berry Seta Premier eyeshadow. Recommended retail price is £12. I think this is it. Voila. And let me just see what color, because it's looking like a blue, but I don't like this kind of blue. I like blue, and blue is quite good for people of my dark skin and many others, but it depends what kind of blue. Some blues are just a no-no. And this one, so this is the blue. Yeah, I might be able to work with this one. But yeah, so that's what it says here. And it says, unbelievably silky soft. This eyeshadow is a serious sensory pleasure to apply. But what about the color, you ask? Expect nothing less than a deeply pigmented, highly blendable, long-lasting color wash that gives an impression of depth and dimension. Well, okay. It's blue. I can work with it. Yeah, so we can see that. That's fine. I can use that. So far so good. I can actually use all of these. Next item is the one I've dropped. Hold on a moment. I'll just get it. The next item is this one. This is Optiat. Yeah, I think that's what I use. It might be a silent P. If it's a silent P, it's an Optiat, but I don't think so. I think it's an Optiat, which is the Hangover coffee scrub. Ooh, I like coffee scrub. Coffee is good for oily skin. It's also good for mature skin. Very, very good. So with potent peppermint. That's that's fine. I can use peppermint. If it had been if you have one, I can't remember which one it is, but tea tree, then it would have been a no. But peppermint, perfect, good for the skin too, opens up your pores, gives you that zingy feeling, fantastic. Use that, and then afterwards apply your moisturizer and massage it in. Perfect. There you go, there's a hint for you, just in case you didn't know. Anyway, so let's have a quick read of this. Need a morning pick-me-up that's going to boost your body, nourish your skin, and revive your senses. After a month After a month, you can barely recall. Of course, you do. This aptly named body scrub will rid your body. Yeah, well, it's a bod. Will rid your body of dead skin cells and reveal baby soft skin, while its invigorating minty fresh scent will perk you up after a boozy few weeks. I haven't had any of those. No alcohol at all allowed for me. Think of it as a New Year's detox for your skin. You'll be feeling refreshed and zingy again before you can say one double espresso, please. And again, I can't drink coffee. It gets my blood pressure going. Not good. And increases my blood rate. My heart rate. Not good. I'm really boring, actually, now I think of it. Can't drink coffee, but I love the smell of it. But I'll get away with using a coffee scrub. So this is actually, I'm looking forward to this. I love coffee scrub. And apparently recommended retail price is, per sachet is £6.99. Okay, we'll double check that. And the final item is this. This is the Saturated Color Make Me Shimmer highlighter pencil. Okay, this multi-purpose highlighter pencil packed with densely pigmented shimmer delivers a heavy hit of sparkle and glow whenever you need it. Illuminate your eyes, add sparkle to lips, and shimmer up your cheekbones, layering to increase the glow factor. Okay. And so recommended retail price is £6. Okay, so not so bad. £6, £12, £24, and okay, 29. And supposedly with that one it will be 38 or thereabouts. Okay, we shall check because it's £13 the actual box itself. I'll double check everything for you and let you guys know in the description box so you can check for yourself. But let's go and quickly try this and see just how glowy. I don't mind a highlighter pen. Oh, I'm looking at the shade now, and I'm not knowing this is for me. You see that? I hope you can see that shade. Okay, let's not push it. No, this one is not for me. Fair enough. I can use all the other items, so I'm not particularly unhappy with this box. So that's not bad, actually. Most of these are bad for one, which is not necessarily appropriate for my skin tone, but the others are actually quite good. So that's great. I'm actually happy with this box. I'll double check the prices and everything. Thank you very much, as usual, for watching. If you want more reviews and also more unboxing like these, then don't forget to subscribe and also like and comment. I do like you guys to have an input. I will speak to you very soon. Bye.